If you skateboarded down the Hoover Dam, the slope would rapidly accelerate.
Sick. You ever went down the Hoover Dam on a skateboard? What? You ever gone down the Hoover Dam on a skateboard? Okay, let's just say I did. What makes you think I'd be able to make it? I'd make it. Yeah, you're right, you would make it. Make it on the news for causing a tsunami when you hit the bottom. Why would I cause a tsunami? Did you just call me fat? I mean, I didn't call you fat. Just said you'd cause a pretty big splash, to say the least.